So what's up y'all, I took a trade earlier on ETH USDT and we took a loss earlier. So why I'm getting L today? So basically my analysis is wrong. So I was wrong identifying daily bias. I thought that the market right now is going down because I thought this is a breakup structure to the downside and it will form a downtrend. But actually, this is just a bullish, because if you set this into line chart, it is actually bullish because this wick right here does not identify that it is going down because it doesn't form any candle, only this one. So basically, it made a breakup structure on the upside, and this candle right here will be going bullish. But my entry is so fucking valid if I haven't mistaken identifying the daily bias. Basically what happened here is there is a fair value gap right here and the price earlier was in here. So I'm expecting the price will attract on the fair value gap and goes down. And I was targeting the order block right here, but it doesn't happen because I thought that the daily bias right now is going bearish. The lesson I have learned from this trade is I need to identify properly if the daily bias is going up or going down. So that's it for today's video. This video is gonna be short. It's just a trade recap on what did I do wrong on my trade earlier. So yeah.